Never been up so early. 7:41. Finally got to use my helmet. And there's our little bike that it looks like we're at 134 miles. Give this a try. The first one here? That's crazy. Why am I the first? I'm never the first to anything. This time. What is up, e-riders? I am happy to share this video of my first group ride with LAESK8. Props to them for organizing a great experience for e-riders. I don't ride my Zugo Rhino e-bike enough, and this was the perfect opportunity to push its limits on hills since the ride was from Chinatown to Elysian Park and Griffith Observatory. If you like videos like this, comment, like, and subscribe. It is much appreciated. Is this your guys' first time?
My first time.
Oh, okay. It's my first time. I was like, I thought I could keep up. I was like, my bike is so slow.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I was,
yours right there, the Rhino?
yeah, the Rhino. I was going 28 miles per hour, and I don't see anyone. I was like, what else? I was like, how fast were you guys going?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
You were paying attention?
I was paying attention.
Jeez.
We were climbing up at like 24, 25 miles an hour.
Really?
Yeah, and then after that downhill, like,
Yeah. Here we go. I love mountain bikes. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get a jump.
pedals. How's your battery? Huh? Halfway? That's better than me. I'm at 2 left out of 5. Yeah, I'm less than half. Yeah, but a lot of the bikes are the same as yours, you know? Yeah. I think I regret, I don't think I charged it all the way. Yeah. Good. How do you go so fast on that?
It's modified.
Yeah?
It's 88 volts.
Jeez.
It's got a custom battery.
Yeah. So what's the top speed?
35.
Oh man. That's sick. Wow, that piece just went pretty nice. Yeah. Guys, I think my battery just died.
My battery died momentarily at Griffith Observatory, but luckily recovered on the way back. The Zugo Rhino performed 22 miles total, with hills at a fast pace with throttle and pedaling. It was a top speed record hitting 44 miles per hour downhill. In closing, this was a great experience worth waking up early to. I made new like-minded friends and got an exercise out of it. In these pandemic times, there aren't many activities like this. This group rides fast, but they provide many chances for Class 2 e-bikes to catch up. Overall, great vibes all around. For other e-bike events, we invite you to check out our meetup group link below. If you haven't already, smash that like and subscribe button below. Have a great day, stay safe out there, and see you next time.